be installing our Takeda intake on this 2025 CX-70 3.3 liter turbo. Okay, so our first step is going to be to lift up this engine cover. We're going to move these tabs off to the side. Then there's going to be this green tab that you're going to want to hook up to the top of the hood, and that'll give us the clearance we need to remove the intake. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to grab some pliers. We're going to squeeze this clamp right here, and this is the intermediate sound tube. We're going to go ahead and disconnect it from our factory intake tube. We do want to point out a note. Some models do not have this intermediate sound tube. If you do not have it, you could skip this step. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and disconnect the MAF sensor. We're going to push down on the tab, pull back. Now we're going to grab some pliers, and we're going to go ahead and push the back of the clip to release it. Now we're going to go ahead and remove these two screws. We're going to grab a 10mm socket. We're going to go ahead and take them off. And we're going to be using these bolts again later. Now we're going to remove this screw right here. We're going to use a 10mm socket to remove the intake tube coupler. Alright, we're going to go ahead and what we want to do is we're going to go ahead and pull back on the intake tube to release it. And then we're going to go ahead and pull the housing up off the grommets and out of the vehicle. Alright, we're going to go ahead and transfer the MAF sensor over to our Takeda tube. We're going to grab a Phillips screwdriver to remove the factory screws. We're going to go ahead and install it into our tube. And we're going to use the provided M4 screws, and we're going to go ahead and tighten them up with a T20 Torx driver. Just like that. So now what we're going to do is we're going to transfer the bottom grommet from the factory housing over to our Takeda housing. Just like that. We're going to go ahead and install the provided grommets onto our scoop right here. We're going to slide them in from the side. Then we're going to go ahead and install the cylinder sleeve to lock the grommet in place. Just like that. Alright, now we're going to install our filter. We're going to go ahead and press it all the way in until it locks in. Give it a nice little pull, make sure it's not coming off, and you're all good to go. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to install the coupler. The smaller inner diameter is going to go towards our turbo inlet. We're going to go ahead and pre-install our 44 clamp onto the turbo inlet. We're also going to slide on our 48 clamp. And while we're here, we're going to go ahead and use an 8mm driver to go ahead and tighten up the clamp to secure onto the turbo inlet. Alright, we're going to go ahead and install our housing. We're going to make sure that our bottom grommet lines up with the bottom peg. Once we get that lined up, we're going to firmly push down to secure it. With our housing loose, we're going to go ahead and install the tube into our coupler first. And we're going to go ahead and slide the tube into the filter. Rotate it to where the MAF sensor is pointing straight up. And we're good there. Now we're going to go ahead and install the screws to secure our scoop down. We're going to go ahead and tighten it up with our 10mm socket. Alright, we're going to go ahead and tighten up our clamps using the 8mm driver here. We're going to also do the one on the filter side. Now we're going to go ahead and install our provided plug for our intermediate sound tube. We're going to go ahead and put it over the tube there, and then slide the clamp over. Then we're going to go ahead and tighten it up using a flathead screwdriver. Just like that. Now we're going to go ahead and reconnect our MAF sensor. Alright, our installation's complete. We're going to do a sound test for you guys. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and put the engine cover back down. We're going to go ahead and secure it back onto here. Put it down, turn the tabs over, give it a nice little pull, make sure it's not going anywhere, and we're good. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.